Boom shakalaka. What is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's episode, we are going to be taking a look at, is this where we are with Bitcoin? Are we about to go up in the price? Because it seems right now like a lot of people think that the price is going down. Like they think we're right here in this anxiety, denial, panic. Price will go down to capitulation, anger, depression, all of that stuff. So, are the masses wrong? Are we actually on the way back up? So we will take a look at that, and if you think that's interesting, you should definitely check out this episode. All right, now I've kept my ear to the grindstone, and I've heard a lot of people recently pretty depressed about Bitcoin prices. Okay, they're taking a look at things. They're saying, hey, you know, where we are, it's going down to 6,000. It seems like almost everybody right now is positive Bitcoin price is going down to $6,000. Other people are like, nah, 4,000, $1,000. People are talking about the $1,000 Bitcoin predictions again. And I mean, they have reasoning in these predictions. As you can see here, Bitcoin's been in a long downtrend for almost 2 years. And even in the mild trend we've been in since middle of June, okay, since the last peak. Again, that's a downtrend also. But taking a look, there is also an uptrend. This right here, that Bitcoin will have to compete with by January of 2021, which is about 6 months after the halving. So Bitcoin price will fluctuate in these two areas before it breaks out. Now down here, I have the fear and greed index. This is one thing that's always fun to look at. You can just search fear and greed on TradingView. But taking a look right now, people don't know. It's 50%. So not really fearful, not really greedy. I would have expected actually more fear after the recent drop in price that we had here, but people are kind of half and half. Fear, greed, not so bad. If we take a look at some of the previous drops, we had this drop here, significant drop from greed to fear. Okay, this drop here, significant drop from greed to fear. This drop here, not so much. So I'm kind of curious about that. But you know, they say to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Right now, people are, they don't really feel either way, so how are we supposed to feel? I don't know, but taking a look at things, it seems like I haven't heard a single person be bullish on Bitcoin recently. Okay, everybody long-term bullish on Bitcoin, yes, but short-term bullish on Bitcoin, they're like, nah, $6,000, nah, $4,500. And that makes me think, because when, for example, back in June, when everybody was saying, oh, there's no chance it'll ever go down. No way. It's not possible. An $8,000 Bitcoin will never happen. A $10,000 Bitcoin will never happen. That's when the price corrected. Right now, everybody's like $6,000, $2,000, whatever. Well, guess what? Price could go back up. Because here's the thing. The misperception of cycles. Most people misperceive this stuff incredibly. See, when things are going up, like in this area right here, people perceive things can only get better. However, where we are right now, when things are going down, like where we are right here, people perceive things can only get worse. Yeah, we took quite a hit. Bitcoin already is down 50% from its all-time highs this year. So it seems like things can only get worse because that's the trend we're in. But the market aims to deceive, to fool the most people possible, and that could be coming. So I'm just saying, be cautious. Now, what do? Trade the daily MACD. Simple as that. So it keeps my emotions outside of it. It keeps my, it's not right 100% of the time, but like 90% of the time it is. And you win big, you lose small. That's what I do. But that's not the only thing. So I just want to say right now, a lot of people are very negative about Bitcoin. And while the price may go down, it certainly could. Guess what? You know what? It doesn't really matter because I'm in a stable coin right now waiting for the daily MACD to turn back up. But here's why I am positive about Bitcoin. You see, we have the halving coming up. This halving is the most important halving that's ever happened because it drops Bitcoin's, inflation rate. That's the word I'm looking for. It drops Bitcoin's inflation rate to 1.8%, lower than the US dollar, lower than gold. Okay, this is the hardest money that's ever been around. Period. Bar none. Not only that, but you can transfer it anywhere in the world. And all you Ripple people are like, but you have to pay fees and wait minutes. Use Ripple because it's manipulated by banks. Listen, so what? Bitcoin's not perfect, but it's pretty damn close. Okay? Limited supply. You can take it anywhere in the world. You can transfer it anywhere in the world. and decreasing supply. I mean, just look at supply and demand. Simple economics. Everything in the world is manipulated by supply and demand. If you don't believe this, do some research on it. But the supply of Bitcoin is about to be decreased by half. Now, not the overall supply, but the daily output, okay, the number of blocks being mined, or the number of Bitcoin being rewarded for each block mined. That decreases by half. So once that happens, guess what? If the demand even stays the same, the only way that Bitcoin price could stay the same as it is after the halving is one thing: manipulation. Because here's the thing, even if demand didn't change, supply changes. So that means that the overall price has to change. My thoughts on things. So that's it for the episode today. Do I think we're right here? I think we're possibly. Do I think the price is going? Here's what I actually think, okay? I think that the price will kind of stay low until the halving, stay low after the halving for about 6 months, and then take off after that. Because people aren't going to be expecting it. Right now, like I'm saying, everybody is thinking that things can only get worse. Everybody's thinking $6,000, $4,000, $1,000. Guess what? That's when that's these market cycles, that's this depression when everybody's like, why are we even in this stuff? Who shorted the market? Like, bruh, this is a sucker's rally. I don't believe it. This isn't going to happen. This rally will fail like the others. It's not even possible. This Bitcoin thing's worth. That's where everybody is right now. And granted, price probably needs to come down a little bit more. But after it does, soaring. So, thanks for watching, guys. For all of you who wanted to get into trading, because I know you've been talking about that a lot recently, Jacob Canfield, one of the top traders from TradingView, he has a 21-day crypto trading challenge. So I'll post a link down in the description under Signal Profits. Just click that link and click trading, and you can join the 21-day trading masterclass where you can trade crypto like a pro in 21 days. Also, check out the Monarch wallet, hold Bitcoin and 3,000 other cryptos on there safely and securely, and Monarch Pay, the world's first decentralized recurring crypto payments. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.